A massive rally has been organized by the Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights in collaboration with the Mar Women Union from Malbai Playground to the Wall of Remembrance near Peace Ground today in Churachandpur district. The rally carried out in Churachandpur district, Kangpokpi district, Tamenglong district and other Kuki-Inhabited areas. The protest was called off condemning the killing of 3 Mar youths by Assam police on July 16, accusing as a fake encounter drama staged by the police. They chanted slogans and held placards which read as "Justice for every citizen of India, fair trial not false, encounter, justice delayed is justice denied, stop fake encounter is the mother lawlessness," among others. After the protest, they also held a short meeting. During the meeting, a memorandum was submitted to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah through the DC, Churachandpur. Speaking to media, spokesperson Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights Rebecca Haukip stated that they have demanded from the Home Minister the commissioning of Special Investigation Team SIT and deliver justice to the 3 deceased.
We have organized this rally to come in united and raise our voice together against the extrajudiciary killing of our 3 brothers who belongs to a Kuki-Mar community by the section of Assam police. So we would like to raise a demand to the central government as well as to commission a special investigation team to constitute against these judiciary actions that needed to be taken to bring justice to the deceased accused of our 3 brothers.